Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Most of the house calls that we go out on are for plants that are dead or dying.
Many of these problems are the same all over town. So let's talk about what they are and how to avoid them.
Let's start with the planting problems. If the planting hole is not large enough, many plants can't survive. If organic soil amendments are not used when planting, many plants can't survive. If most plants are planted too deep, they can't survive. And if plants are not watered properly right after planting, they will have a hard time surviving. Even if these plants do survive, they will struggle, be stressed, and not look very good.
We also see many plants that are sunburnt or frost damaged. Some trees are damaged badly by sunburning on their trunks and branches when they are young. This happens when thin bark trees like purple leaf plum, ash trees, or fruit trees are planted facing south or west. The hot afternoon sun burns the bark so that it cracks open and the soft tissue underneath also dies. The borer beetle has a perfect opportunity to lay its eggs inside the opened bark. Then the real problem starts as the larvae hatch out and start feeding on the soft tissue that carries the water and nutrients up and down the tree. This can be prevented if people that plant trees in these locations could protect the trunks and exposed branches with a tree trunk paint or wrap. Once the borers get into the tree or bush, the only treatment is with a systemic insecticide that will poison them as they feed on the plant.
Other plants that are affected by borers include Carolina cherries, Japanese blueberries, Italian cypress, red-tip photinia, junipers, pyracantha, and even roses. Some of these same plants are also frequently visited by spider mites that can kill the plant. These mites are very tiny little spiders that look like specks of dust on a white piece of paper. These can be controlled by hosing off the plant to keep the dust off the leaves. If you don't control them, they will develop into huge colonies that will start forming tiny webs and turn the plant a dull gray-green color and then a rusty brown right before it dies. You will need to spray with a miticide to kill them.
For more information on this topic, get our STAR notes 001, 620, 700, 900A and B at starnursery.com or on our free app.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.